guys, o-open kami ng mystery box. Okay. Sa'yo muna ay siyang. Gusto namin makuha itong mystery.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
go.
Wow! Satisfying!
Yeah. Ay, ano yan? Ano yan?
Bear! 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 Bear siya. Andito na. 1, 2, 3, go. Cute!
Cute.
Okay. Okay.
Pakita mo siya.
Mamaya una openin.
Pakita nyo.
Mamaya openin. Tsaka ito.
Ito yung card niya.
Ito panda. Panda.
Panda.
Wow. Ito yung card niya. Okay. Tsaka ito siya. Okay. Yung malaki naman. Panda din.
Panda.
1, 2, 3, go. Go. Wow. That's satisfying.
Yeah.
My favorite is that.
Ano
I want the dinosaur.
It's not dinosaur, it's Vaya.
It's the elephant. Elephant.
Elephant. May
Where's the card?
Yeah, where's the card?
It's a keychain. And this is the card. Okay.
Wait.
Let's open this.
Yeah.
This bag. Too hard. Too hard.
Too hard. Dagat.
Okay. Daddy pa open.
Ako na.
Wait lang. Okay. Alam ko na openin.
Okay.
Okay, na-open na.
It's so cute.
Pink elephant.
Yeah.
Meron siyang ganun na.
Parang-
Para doon sasabitin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pahawak. Oh, cute.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Ito na yung manakuha namin. Bye.